Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll begin by preparing the assets: a clear quote and a lock screen-sized image. Use 1179 by 2556 pixels or a similar phone aspect ratio so the text won't crop. Once done, either export the quote as an image or plan to overlay text with the Shortcuts app. This gives you precise placement. Make sure contrast is high so the quote remains legible against the background. Because lock screen, now you'll use shortcuts to place the quote on the image. Create a new shortcut, add an action to get your base image, then add a text or overlay image action to embed the quote. Adjust font, size, and color while previewing so the lock screen time and widgets won't cover keywords. Once satisfied, run the shortcut and save the resulting image to Photos. This method is repeatable and lets you tweak placement precisely for different wallpapers. Finish by setting the created image as your lock screen. Open Settings, go to Wallpaper, choose Add New Wallpaper, pick the image, then set as lock screen. Make sure to test with notifications and the clock visible. If text sits too close to the status area, go back and add larger margins or move the quote down. If fonts look off, recreate the image at higher resolution or use a bolder weight. A single retry usually fixes alignment or legibility issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.